What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you could probably tell by the title of the video, today we're going to be replacing the front, upper, and lower A-arm bushings on Sheri's. If you're not following the channel, it's a 2019 Maverick X3 base model. And during our last ride, after our last ride, we brought it home, washed it, and I was going over them, doing our normal inspection because we're getting ready to head to Hatfield McCoy here coming up. And I noticed the driver's side was loose. So while we have it tore down, we're just going to do both sides. We went to CT Race Worx. These bushings have a lifetime warranty. They said that they're self-lubricating, but they put the grooves in them anyway for dirt and debris, so that's pretty cool. And you reuse your original inner sleeves. So we'll get to it. We're going to tear down the front end. You could probably do it without taking the whole front clip off, but we need to clean her radiator anyway because it's getting a little plugged up, and might as well do it now while we have everything tore down. So we'll set the camera up. We'll do probably some time-lapse video and show you how to go, or how to do it along the way. So stick around and hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to take this front clip off. There's a bunch of torx bits. Some of these metal clips here. We're going to take the front bumper off. A couple 18 millimeters. And we'll have to probably cut her wiring up here for these, as it goes through the front clip. filming my butt. I think the front clip is just about done. We gotta cut this wiring here so we can get these wires off, or the little LED pods, and then we should be ready to pull the front bumper off. Alright, Sheri, look at the other side.
Simmer down.
Okay. Well, this side's off.
Where's the wrench? And then do you want to sit those over on the pile? Put it on the outside.
Good. Here's a washer. All right. One pre-runner bumper.
This just you get caught here, so we can
Okay. Front clip disassembled. You can see that's why we decided to take the whole front clip off, so we can get in there and clean the radiator out. Just in case you guys were wondering, we took these two bolts out. You didn't have to, because that's what holds the radiator. We're not taking the radiator off, so I'm going to go ahead and throw them bolts back in. And we're going to pause here for a minute until we get the jack underneath it, get everything jacked up, get the wheels off, and we'll come back to you. Alright guys, we're back. We did notice, let me see if I can find it, the shim here. You can see it's missing the back piece. I'm sure it's probably still in there, but something to keep an eye on. But we're getting ready. We're going to pull the shocks off here. I believe they're 18s still, 18 millimeter. So we're going to get them pulled off, and then we'll start tearing into the A-arms. Run the top off here.
That's really muddy.
Everything on hers is muddy.
Yeah.
What is going to hold this up? Nothing. I mean, I need to put that bolt back in there so it holds up the radiator.
Oh.
You have? pull your radiator up. So now these come off with the bumper, and then these two bolts back here are actually inside underneath of your floor pan, so you have to go inside. Show you here. So you have to come in here, take the kick panels off, and they're actually under here. So that's how you can get to them. Right there. There's a plate that goes over across them. And then this here is 18 again. And then once we get those, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we get those 4 bolts loose, we're gonna go ahead and come back and I'll show you some bushing replacements. That's a tight one.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do now is get my seat. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get a seat. We're going to try and slide these out here. Get in here, Emma. Going to take this plate off, and then there's one back here. You take those two out. Okay, what we're at now is we have everything, all the bolts off, everything unhooked. We didn't take any of this off. We're going to see if we can do it without taking any of this off. But what we're going to do is we're going to lift up on this. We're going to try to slide it out, and we're going to see if it comes out.
We're going to get just enough to change them out.
Should have been in here, but looks like it's all gone for a while. See that camera? I don't really know if you guys can see on here or not, but this one, oops, sorry. This one here is a little bit oblong and has seen better days for sure. This one's pretty tore up. So this one up here and this one down here were probably two of the worst ones that I could tell. Yeah, there's the new one. The old bushings only had lines going straight across, and the CT Race Worx ones, they actually have the grooves on the inside that are twisted and crisscrossed. So it looks like they'll work much better. They seem like they're heavier duty too, and it's always a plus with a lifetime warranty. So, but as of right now, these bushings here, I think she has about 3,800 miles on hers, and they're just now going bad. So all in all, that's not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pull a couple more on top. We're gonna replace the bushings on top, and then we're gonna see if we can get the bottom out and switch the bottom.
Grab 2 more new ones.
Give me a flat screwdriver.
Which one right over there? Just make a pile.
Alright guys, so we got all the bushings replaced on this side. Two ones up here. Really nice fit. They fit really good. We're gonna get some shims. We'll put the shims back on here. They protect the plastic from rubbing up against and help save them a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and get this side put together, and we'll get these upper and lower A-arms on this side, and then we'll probably call it a day for the video, since you don't really need to see the reassemble or the other side. So stick around a couple more minutes and we'll be done. Okay, got shim. Alright, take the bottom in again. Alright guys, so the A-arm's back on. The bolts are back through. We're going to throw the shims back on it. And we're going to start putting it all back together. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let us know. Throw it down in the comment section. I'll try to get with you as soon as I can. And we have another video coming up. We're going to do a 4,000 mile review video on mine. Mine has like 4,005, something like that, miles on it. Sheri's has like 3,800, something like that. I think I mentioned that earlier in the video. But that will be our next video. So hit the subscribe button, share it with your buddies, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one, guys. What's up, guys? I just wanted to get back on here and let you know that we're done. Everything's put back together. Sheri's finishing up her wiring and her little LED pods up here. Everything's in, greased, torqued back down to what it should be. And I wanted to let you know that the total install time, start to finish, with me and Sheri was 3 hours. So if you're wondering about how long it takes, I would probably, 3 hours would probably be a good time for 2 people. Definitely a lot easier with 2 people anyway. But that about wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it helps someone out if you're getting ready to tackle it. So see you next time.